All right, guys, today I want to do a full unboxing and review on my new smart eyeglasses. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending these out. Been wanting to try these out, so let's check them out. Very cool. They don't feel any heavier than traditional glasses. I normally wear glasses anyway. So these are the glasses themselves. And then you get, this should be the charger for them. Instructions on probably how to set them up. And then a cleaning cloth for them. All right, this is how it looks like when they're charging. So you can see it's got those lights right there. And then another cool thing that I wanted to point out is right here. It's got like the touch sensors on both sides. So I'll probably leave those on for a little bit just so I know exactly where it's at. But as soon as I unplugged it, it said power on. And you can see it is flashing blue. So let's try it out. Through my Bluetooth. So it shows eyewear max. There they are. So we're connected. Simple as that. Now let's try it out. All right, so like I said, the pairing was super easy. So now I just want to show some of the cool features that are built in. So if we want to play some music, I'll put it up to the max just using my phone, and then I'll show you the features on here. You'll see that you'll probably be able to catch a little bit. Like it. So as you can see, like it's loud, like around my ear. And when I say loud, like I could have it at the max, it doesn't bother me, but it's not gonna bother the people around you. So I thought that was cool. Like I said, it has one on each, it has a speaker on each ear, so I thought that was very cool. The other cool feature is, so watch, I'll just show you my phone right here. So if I go like this on the right hand side, as you can see, the volume starts to go up. So if I have my phone in my pocket and I just want to put the volume up a little bit, just gotta do that right there. See, just keep going up. Very cool. And then if I want to change the song or anything or hit play, then you just double tap it and then it'll start playing. So again, very, very cool. If you tap it again on either side, it'll pause it, like just like that. So, and then if you want to change the track on here, if you just swipe it up like that, it'll just keep changing the song. So again, you can literally have your phone in your pocket and just do everything right from your glasses. So super, super cool. And then if you start to get a call, like I could hear the ringtone in here, and if you just double tap like this, it'll take the call. So yeah, I could hear them right through here, so I'll put up the volume just a little bit. Yeah, sounds really clear, sounds really good. Can you hear me? Sound good? Can you hear me now? Good. All right. All right, guys, so there you have it. The last thing that I'll say is, like, on a fully 90-minute charge, you can get 6 hours of continuous talk time or 5 hours of music or audiobooks or anything like that. So again, for just 90 minutes of charge time, you get plenty of talk and music time. So thought that was very cool. So if you're looking for some cool anti-blue light glasses that got all the cool features, I definitely recommend these. Definitely a 10 out of 10.